Firstly, just to say, from our point of view, farmers are the custodians of the land. And this climate transition won't happen without farmers because they are there on the ground at literally the grassroots. So we do have to support farmers. And it's certainly, if there's any criticism of farming and farmers, it's certainly not coming from me, because we recognise in the Green Party the part that farmers play. And if there are assurances that can be given through these amendments to farmers that the work that they're doing is going to be taken into account, then I think that we have to do that. But I think it's really important to recognise that the part played by sequestration and sinks when it comes to farming is quite small. Would be taken into account anyway because we're talking about net emissions, and we do have to make sure that we put on the record the importance of following the science on this. And I sit on the Climate Action Committee. We had the EPA into us this week, and we did discuss sequestration and sinks. But I think quite apart from that small part that it may play in emissions, I think investing in sinks and sequestration on farming does so much for biodiversity, quite apart from this bill. So it must be supported in any case. We had Macron Affirma into us last week, and I think what's really interesting is I think farmers recognise that consumers want a greener product, and that means that farmers know that they have to invest in this greener product, and it's our responsibility as the state to support them in doing that. And certainly what Macron Affirma said to us in the committee last week, when we were asking about how they could be supported, they were calling for support from ecologists. I think that just shows the commitment that farming communities have to a change to a greener product. And that's where the money is coming from in terms of European funding. And that's what we want to support. Thank you very much.